Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to cover is your personal description and the relevant links you should be including. We'll look at some examples first and then we'll hop over to ChatGPT and get it to create us a fully optimized bio for our channel. Okay then guys, so of course each social media platform has a character limit for your bio. On YouTube you have 5,000 characters for your description. Now that's quite a lot. And YouTube descriptions are slightly different from bios on, let's say, TikTok and Instagram, as people don't really see them unless they intentionally click on them. But that doesn't matter, as your personal description can be an incredible way to insert some keywords for your niche and explain a little bit about your channel. So to maximize the effectiveness of your channel description, you should describe what your channel is about, tell people why they should subscribe to you, and include plenty of niche keywords and also any links to any other socials that are relevant. Let me show you some examples. So here is Paddy Galloway's YouTube description. If you haven't heard of him, he's a YouTube strategist and growth influencer. So straight away he asks, do you want to grow your YouTube channel? And then he carries on with a little bit about him and what he does. He also adds a call to action at the bottom, telling people to subscribe if they want to see some tips on the algorithm and much more. This is really effective. Now, it must be noted, not as many people will see a YouTube description compared to a bio on TikTok or Instagram. But like I say guys, it's definitely still important to use it to your advantage. Now, here's a description I use for my Nature Facts channel. It goes, welcome to Crazy Nature Facts. And then I'll go on to talk about how this channel is dedicated to exploring and sharing fascinating facts and wonders of the natural earth and so on. At the end, it says subscribe now and join the Crazy Nature Facts community. So this description basically describes what my channel is about and what people should expect if they decide to subscribe. I also have a call to action at the bottom telling people to subscribe. So before we hop into ChatGPT to get a description done for us, let's look at one more example of this. Here we have a DP Mindset, a short space channel based on facts that we covered at the start of this course. You can see here that he says hello and welcome to my channel DP Mindset. Then he lists off what you can find and what you can expect to get from this channel if you subscribe. Things like short facts, short motivation quotes, life quotes, lifestyle, etc. He also includes a call to action that says like, share, comment and subscribe, and then he finally includes his collaboration email for influencer marketing too. So guys, you should use your description to express who you are or what your channel is about. Be sure to include relevant links and where possible, most definitely add some keywords related to your niche. This is so people can find your accounts when they search. Descriptions will be different for everyone and you should put your own personal touch to it. Okay then guys, let's now hop on to ChatGPT and we'll run through how you can get it to create us an exciting description, field of keywords and a call to action in no time. Okay then guys, so we are now going to use ChatGPT to write us a beautifully optimized YouTube profile description. So let's go for it. In no more than 200 words, write me a YouTube profile description for my new YouTube Shorts channel based on psychology facts, full stop. Make sure this description is inviting and let's say concise, and then let's say be sure to include the keywords psychology facts. Obviously guys, we want this to be optimized for psychology facts, so we're going to need ChatGPT to include this as much as possible to help us show up in search results. And then we also want to include a call to action as well at the end to ask our viewers to subscribe to our channel. So let's include that in there as well, and to subscribe. Okay then, let's see how what it throws up for us. So welcome to our channel where we deep dive into fascinating world of psychology facts, uncover secrets of the minds and unravel mysteries of human behavior through captivating short videos that leave you craving for more knowledge. So guys, they've used emojis here. Yeah, this is great. This is actually really nice. Discover mind-blowing facts about the complexities of human brain, blah, blah, blah. Psychology facts. Subscribe now to embark on an exciting journey. More psychology keywords. yeah, loads of use of the psychology keyword niche keyword, so that's absolutely fine. But guys, I'm going to show you another trick. This time, what you can do is go onto your competitors' YouTubes, copy their description, and ask ChatGPT to write a description based on theirs. So let's go. Below is my competitor's YouTube description, and then we're going to ask it to, using influence from this, create our own one. So guys, this is a really cool and actually very clever trick. It will save you a lot of time. So if you ever come across one of your competitors and they have a really cool description, but you don't want to copy it word for word because that would be bad, what you can do is just come on here, ask ChatGPT, paste it into ChatGPT and say, please create an own unique one using this one as inspiration for your own channel, and it's going to give you basically a really good optimized description with the inspiration from an already competitor's one. So let's have a look again, really quick. This is so good, guys. So here we have basically a brand new fully optimized description based on your brand new channel using the other one as inspiration. So again, guys, like I say, find your competitors, look at their description and ask ChatGPT to make your brand new one. It's as simple as that. Thanks very much for listening, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.